So we're gonna go over how to do our ballet bun. So here's the different things you would need. You need bobby pins, at least 2 hair ties. They should be color matching or as close as you can. Hairnet, this one's from Holiday Foods. It came 3 in a package. This is the light brown color. There are optional bun makers. There's a donut and also another different bun maker that I'll show you how to use. So we're gonna part their hair on the dancer's left. And if you have hairspray, it's good to go ahead and spray that. Then we're gonna go ahead and start with the back ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave out the front and go ahead and get the back and the back of her head first into the ponytail. She has very long hair and thick. So I'll go over what to do if it's not. You can take this, if someone has short hair, and go ahead and put this in a hair tie, and then take and wrap this underneath and pin as you need. So that way, if they have shorter hair, it will stay. If not, you can just kind of brush it underneath when you do their ponytail. It does help to take the hair and put it underneath. So we can grab and put their ponytail underneath and go ahead and put their ponytail in first. I missed some hair. There we go. Okay. Then, so this is the bun maker. To do the bun maker, you would just separate it, put their hair through, depending on how long it is, close it up, and you would just wrap and then close it up and move the hair if you'd like to do it that way. So that's really easy. If you do a donut, you would put it around their ponytail. That's the easiest way. If they have really short hair, you can just take and flatten that over and then put another hair tie in and go that way. So that's an option as well. If they have longer hair, after you do that, you would have to take and wrap all their hair around. So that's pretty easy to do as well. So that's if you do a donut, and you can put a hair tie over that. That works as well. Or with Addison's hair, we're not gonna use either one. And we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of twist it up. Just flip it around and make a bun out of what we have. Doesn't matter what it looks like because we're gonna put a hairnet over anything we do anyway. So I'm gonna take, and you see that we're not gonna worry about all this extra stuff. We're just gonna try to pull it in and put a hair tie around it. It doesn't matter what that looks like. We're gonna take the hairnet and put it over just like a scrunchie. And try to catch all those little pieces of hair that were in here, and just keep folding it and putting it in as a scrunchie. And then we're gonna open up her bun and flatten it back down to pin it back in. So when you do the pins, I'm gonna pull some of this out. She has too much hair. When you put the pins in, you're going to put them through the hairnet and then into the hair tie, which is going to help hold everything in together. And we're just gonna go all the way around in a circle. If it's for performance, you go all the way around twice. I'm gonna keep going all the way around, pull through the hairnet, pull underneath, just pull that extra hair underneath. And there you go. Turn around. Can you turn around? I know. All right, so that's it.